Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you a very quick tutorial on how you can stop Shopify billing or cancel Shopify subscription. Alright, so to cancel your subscription or billing on Shopify is very simple. All you have to do once you are in the Shopify dashboard is to click on the settings at the bottom left of your screen. And then from here, you want to go into plans right here. And then from here, you want to deactivate your store by clicking here. And this would cancel your subscription for the Shopify subscription. And you can click here on deactivate store and select your reason. So whatever it is, let's just go for this one and click continue. And after that, as you can see, after you deactivate your store, you will no longer have access to Shopify admin. But what I suggest before you do this, before you finalize your decision, is that you want to make sure that the apps that you have here in Shopify, in case that you are paying for Shopify apps, is that you want to cancel them first. In that way, you would be sure that you won't be billed even if you have already canceled your plan here in Shopify, because some apps would still put a bill on you even after deactivating your Shopify, because you are still under subscription and you didn't cancel the subscription for that Shopify app. So once you're done with that, then you can now just enter your password right here. So you can click here and just fill in your password, and you can even go and select this one if you want this to be activated, and click on deactivate store once you are really sure. But in my case, I will not be doing that since I am just showing you how you can do it, and this is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.